Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic alligation or mixture. So let's start. See in this problem what is given 20 liters of a mixture which contains milk and water in the ratio 3:1. So we have to find how much amount of milk shall be added in the mixture so that the resulting mixture will have milk and water in the ratio 4:1. Okay. So what we have to do first, we need to find the quantity of milk and water in the original mixture. So in 20 liters of mixture, 20 liters of mixture, quantity of milk, quantity of milk. See the ratio of the mixture in which milk and water are 3:1. Okay. It means out of 4 parts, 3 parts are milk. So 3 by 3 plus 1 and total quantity is 20 liters. So it will be 3 by 4 into 20. So it is equal to 15 liters. And quantity of water out of four part, one part will be water. So 1 by 4 into 20. So it is 5 liters. Okay. Now we have to find how much milk shall be added. So let quantity of milk to be added, quantity of milk to be added be x liters. Okay. So the resulting ratio will have milk and water in 4:1. So what will be the total quantity of milk? See, initially milk quantity was 15 and added quantity is x. So 15 plus x is total quantity of milk divided by quantity of water is 5 and it will remain same as no water is added. And the ratio is given as 4:1. So after cross multiplication, we can find the value of x. So 15 plus x equal to 20 or x will be equal to 5. Therefore, required milk quantity is equal to 5 liters. Okay. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See in this problem what is given? A vessel which contains grape, pineapple and banana juices and the ratio is given 4:6:5. So 15 liters out of this mixture is taken out and 8 liters of grape juice is added in the mixture and 2 liters of pineapple juice is added. So in the resulting mixture, quantity of pineapple juice and quantity of grape juice, the difference between the two is 10 liters. Okay. So we have to find the initial quantity of the mixture in the vessel. So how we can solve this? See, we can assume the quantity of grape, pineapple and banana juice in the initial mixture as on the basis of this given ratio. So let grape, pineapple, pineapple and banana juices in initial mixture be 4x, 6x and 5x respectively. Okay, all are in liters. So out of this 15 liters of the mixture is taken out. So in 15 liters liters. Quantity of grape juice we are denoting by GJ. It will be, see, ratio is 4 ratio 6 ratio 5. So out of 15 part, 4 part will be grape. So out of 15 liters, 4 liter will be grape juice. Okay, 4 liters. Similarly, quantity of pineapple juice, it will be 6 liter, and quantity of banana juice, it will be equal to 5 liters. Okay, now in the resulting mixture, see, difference between quantity of pineapple juice and quantity of grape juice is 10 liters. So what will be the quantity of pineapple juice? See, initial quantity of pineapple was 6x, and out of this, when 15 liters were taken out, so in that 15 liter pineapple juice was 6 liter. So we have to subtract 6 from this, and then 2 liters of pineapple juice is added. So plus 2. And what is the quantity of grape juice? Initially it was 4x, then out of this 4 liters were removed, and added quantity is 8 liters of grape juice. So plus 8, and the difference is equal to 10. So solving this, we will get 6x minus 4x, that is 2x, minus 8 equal to 10, and 2x equal to 18, so x will be equal to 9. Now we have to find the initial quantity of mixture. Therefore initial quantity equal to 4x plus 6x plus 5x, so it will be equal to 15x. So 15 into 9, that is 135 liters. Okay, so our answer will be option number D. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, what is given? Ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 4:3, and 6 liter of water is added. Then the resulting mixture will have water and milk in the ratio 8:7. So we have to find the quantity of milk in the original mixture. Okay. So based on the initial ratio, we will assume the quantity of milk and water. Let quantity of milk and water in original mixture be 4x and 3x respectively. Okay, and we are assuming this in liters. Now when 6 liter of water is added, so in the resulting mixture quantity of milk will be, it will remain same, that is 4x, while quantity of water will be initial quantity, that is 3x, and 6 liter of water is added, so 3x plus 6, and the ratio will be 8:7. So 8 by 7. Now we need to solve this. So 7 into 4, 28x, equal to 24x plus 48. It means 4x equal to 48, or x equal to 12. Okay. Now we have to find the quantity of milk in original mixture. So quantity of milk in original mixture, so it will be equal to 4x. So 4 into 12, that is 48 liters. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. So in this problem, what is given? 35 kg of type A sandal powder whose unit cost, that is per kg cost, is 614, and that is mixed with another type B sandal powder whose quantity is not given, and cost of the cost is given as 695 per kg. So the mixture is sold at 767 per kg, in which profit was 80%. So we can calculate the cost price of the mixture because this is selling price. Now we have to find the quantity of type B sandal powder in the mixture. Okay. So first we will calculate the cost price. So cost price of mixture. So the formula is 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent. So gain is 18% into selling price, that is rupees 767. Solving this we will get rupees 650. So 650 is the cost price. Now we need to find the ratio of type A and type B. So suppose this is type A and cost is given as 614. Here we will write type B. We will use rule of allocation. Type B cost is rupees 695 and mixture cost we have calculated as 650. So type A ratio type B will be, see, type A ratio type B difference will be this 45. Okay, 695 minus 650 equal to 45, and 650 minus 614 it will be equal to 36. Now we can find A ratio B. A ratio B is equal to 45 ratio 36, and which is equal to 9 ratio, sorry, 9 divided by 45, that is 5 ratio 4. So A and B are in the 5 and 4 ratio. So let A equal to 5x kg and B type B 4x kg. Okay. Now quantity of type A is given as 35 kg. Therefore 5x equal to 35. It means x equal to 7. And we have to find the quantity of type B. So quantity of type B, it is equal to 4x. So 4 into 7, that is 28 kg. So our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. So in this problem what is given? We have to find how many liters of water to be added in a mixture whose quantity is 30 liters and ratio of milk and water in the original mixture is C1:3, so that resulting mixture will have 40% water in it. So first we need to find the quantity of milk and water in the initial mixture. So in 30 liters of original mixture, original mixture, quantity of milk. See, ratio is 7:3. So out of 10 parts, 7 part will be milk. So 7 divided by 7 plus 3 into total quantity is 30 liters. So it will be 7 by 10 into 30. So it will be 21 liters. Similarly, quantity of water we can calculate. It will be 3 part out of 10 part and total quantity is 30. So it is 9 liters. Now in resulting mixture 40% water is there. So we have to find how many liters of water we added. Let x liters of water be added So in the resulting mixture, quantity of water will be initial quantity, that is 9 liters, plus added quantity, that is x liters, divided by quantity of mixture will be initially 30 liters, and as water is added, so mixture quantity will also increase by x. Okay, so this will be equal to 40%. So 40 by 100. So now we will cross multiply and find the value of x. So 90 plus 10x equal to 4x plus 120. And from this we will get 6x equal to 30. It means x equal to 5. Therefore, required quantity of water equal to 5 liters. Our answer will be option number A. Okay, friends. So, in this lecture, we have discussed some important problems on the topic alligation or mixture. Okay, thank you.